Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum of isometric projection. Here also we have been given in third angle method. So this is the front, top and side view. Now I will calculate the total width, height and depth of the figure. So width of the figure is 4.4 centimeters, that is the radius of the outer circle. Then the height is 4.9, that is 1.3 plus 1.2 plus 1.4 plus 1, and the depth is 6.2, that is 1.2 plus 2.8 plus 2.2. Now next step, we'll draw a straight line. We'll draw three angles, that is 90 degree, 30 degree and 30 degree. We'll draw lines through them. So this side will be the front view. So I'll mark the dimension, that is 4.4, height is 4.9 and the depth is, side view is 6.2. Now through these points we'll make a rectangular box, drawing parallel lines. After drawing the box, just check whether the dimensions are properly mapped. Now we can move forward. Now starting with the front view, the height is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter above, I'll draw a line, as we want to create a circle with side of 4.4 centimeters and its thickness is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter above, I'm creating a square with side 4.4 centimeter, as the radius of the outer circle given is 2.2. So 1 centimeter above this, I have created a square. This point is at 4.4 centimeter. So the square is created. Now next step, you have to draw the circle. So joining the longest diagonal and from the opposite ends joining at the midpoint. So midpoint will be 2.2 centimeter. So 2.2 centimeter, I'll mark a point and we'll join this. Same here, 2.2 centimeter. Join. From here, joining at the opposite end. From here, joining at the opposite end. Now you have to create a circle which will look like an ellipse in 3-dimensional. So keep the pointer here. With this as the radius, draw the curve. With same radius, keep the pointer here. Draw the curve. Now through this point, with this as the radius, draw the curve. With same radius, keep the pointer at this point. So for circle we require 4 points to draw the circle in 3-dimensional, which looks like an ellipse. So this circle has been drawn. Now you have to draw the inner circle also. The inner circle radius given is 1.5 centimeter. So we have to create a square of 3 centimeters. So from center, this is the center, 1.5 centimeters on the right and 1.5 centimeters on the left. On this side also, from the center, 1.5 centimeters on this side and 1.5 centimeter on this side. So total length will be 3 centimeters. Now we'll draw parallel lines through them. So at the center, a square will be created of side 3 centimeter, as we want to draw a circle with side of or diameter of 3 centimeter or radius 1.5. So joining this line, drawing parallel line through these points, the square has been created. So next step, joining the longest diagonal. It is already there of the bigger circle. Now from the opposite ends, you have to join the line at the midpoint. So midpoint will be at 1.5 centimeter. This is 1.5. From this end, join the line. Just mark the point so that you will not get confused. Center point, join. This is the point. These are the 2 points. Now from these 4 points, you have to draw the circle with this as the radius. Keep the pointer here. This as the radius. Draw the curve. With same radius, keep the pointer here. Draw the curve. Now keep the pointer here. This as the radius. Draw the curve. Final point. This as the radius. Draw the curve. So the center circle is also created with radius 1.5 centimeter. Now the thickness of this circle is 1 centimeter. So I'll move this point below 1 centimeter. So we can shift the entire curve. Now through this point we have drawn this curve. So I have shifted that point 1 centimeter below, as the thickness of this circle is 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter below, and keeping the new point, I'll draw the curve. So this curve has been shifted 1 centimeter below, as the thickness of this circle is 1 centimeter. So same curve with same distance we have drawn below. Now this as the radius, this point also we have to move 1 centimeter below. So draw the line parallel properly. So this is 1 centimeter below. Draw the curve. This point also we have to shift. This is the point we have to shift 1 centimeter below. So this is 1 centimeter below. You have to draw the curve. Now join this lines, and the thickness of this circle is created. Now the inner circle thickness is 1 centimeter. So its inner curve edge will also be visible. So this was the radius. We have drawn this curve. So we have to shift this curve below 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter below, and we'll draw the curve. As the height of this curve is 1 centimeter, so inner circle curve will also be visible. If the height was more, it would have not been visible, but the height is less, so it is visible. Now next we have to draw this upper semicircle. So for that I am drawing a square at the back side. So this is our back side square. Now we'll mark the center point of this, as the semicircle is at the center. So mark the center point. The thickness of the semicircle is 2.6 centimeters. So 1.3 on the left and 1.3 on the right. And its thickness is at 1.2 centimeter. So I have marked a point 1.2 centimeter forward. Now through that point I'll create a square. So first I'll mark a height above. The height is, the center point of the semicircle is above 2.6. So I've marked a point 2.6 above. Now through that point we have to create a square of 2.6. So 1.3 above, 1.3 below. We have to create a square. So 2.6. So from here 2.6 on the left I'll mark a point. So this distance is 2.6 and we'll draw a parallel line through it. So we have created a square of side 2.6 centimeter as the radius of the outer semicircle given is 1.3. Now same steps, you have to join the longest diagonal and from the other ends we have to join at the midpoint. Now for the semicircle we require only 2 points, so only this line I'll draw. So these 2 points will give me the semicircle. So directly I can draw the semicircle with only these 2 points. So keeping the pointer here with this as the radius curve, draw this curve. Keeping the pointer over here with this as the radius, draw the curve. So this semicircle has been drawn with radius as 1.3. Now this distance is 1 centimeter above. We'll draw this line. Join this. Now center again we have a semicircle with diameter as 1.4. So from the center we have to create a square of side 1.4 centimeter. So center line I have drawn and from the center, from its center we'll mark 7 millimeters on the left and 7 millimeters on the right. So total will be 1.4 centimeter. From the center 0.7 centimeters on the left, 0.7 centimeters on the right. Now we have to create a square through those points. So drawing these 2 parallel lines and from these lines 0.7 centimeter above and 0.7 centimeter below, and through those points we'll draw parallel lines. Now the square has been created with side of 1.4 centimeters. Now same procedure, join the longest diagonal. Again we have to create a semicircle, so only 2 points are required. So I'll join at the midpoint. So finding this midpoint 7 millimeter and join this. So these 2 points, from these 2 points we'll create a semicircle. So keeping the pointer here, this as the radius, draw the curve. Keeping the pointer over here, this as the radius, draw the curve. Now the same semicircle we have to create below also. So extending this downward at a height of 1.2 centimeter. So this distance is 1.2, from here also 1.2 centimeter below. And then again we have a semicircle of same with diameter as 1.4. So considering this as center point, 0.7 centimeters above I'll mark a point, 0.7 centimeters below I'll mark a point, and we'll create a light square. From here also 0.7 centimeters above and 0.7 centimeters below we'll create a square. So taking this as a reference line, join this. So this square has been created. Again join the longest diagonal. Here also you have to draw the semicircle, so only 2 points will be required. Marking the center point. Center point will be at 0.7 centimeters. Join this. So these 2 points have been created. Taking this as the radius, draw the curve. This radius, draw the curve, and keeping the pointer here, this as the radius, draw the curve. So this semicircle has been created. Now just join these lines, make it dark. Now this whole part is created. Now we have to extend this. Now the thickness of this semicircle is 1.2. So I'll shift this point, this curve behind 1.2 centimeter. So taking this as a reference line, I'll shift this point 1.2 centimeters on the back side, as the thickness of the semicircle is 1.2. So I am marking the point at a distance of 1.2, and through that point I'll draw the curve. So with same radius as we have earlier drawn, we are drawing this curve. Now I'll shift this point also on the back side at a distance of 1.2. So drawing a light line from there, then marking a point 1.2 centimeter and drawing the curve. Now taking this line as a reference, we'll join that line. So this part is done. Now from here, take this as a reference line, extend this line below, make it dark. Now just the edges are remaining. This point, make it dark. Extend this line downward till, take the reference from this point till where you have to extend. So from this point here you have to extend. Take this as a reference. The same part will be on that side also. From that point, make it dark. Make this part dark. Then the edge line is remaining and we are done with the sum. So make this line dark and we are done. So this whole part is done. Now marking the front view. Here will be the front view and we'll mark the dimensions. So whatever dimensions are given in the question, you have to mark it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture. Have a great day.